Welcome to mechanical tutorial. I am going to teach you different techniques in SolidWorks for mechanical engineers. I am going to train you different modules like part modeling, surface modeling, sheet metal enclosure design, plastic components design, product design, reverse engineering, simulation, and many more tips and tricks in SolidWorks. Hi, today I am going to explain about U bracket. Left side you can see the component, right side the flat pattern. So this is the component I am going to create. Here I am going to show you how to create base flange, edge flange, tab feature, and how to create hole features with simple hole command, and fillets and chamfer in sheet metal. So let's start now. I've taken a new SolidWorks part file. Select the top plane, go to sketch, draw one center rectangle, and this is 60, this is 80. Go to sheet metal module, select the base flange. Here I have taken 2 mm thickness and K factor is 0.45. So K factor should be always less than 0.5. So after creating, make sure that the radius is equivalent to thickness. So I have taken 2 mm. So we have to verify this. Next, select the edge flange. Select both sides. See here, I'll keep it in front view. See, it is coming out of this edge. I want to maintain the same width. So we have to select material inside the both sides, see here, and say OK. Now we have to edit this sketch. So this is 20 mm. See, if you want to maintain the symmetric, we have to show this sketch. So we have to go here and uncheck this and click the sketch here. See, when I keep it in, when I edit this sketch, the other sketch is visible. See here. So here what we have to do is select this and this line, make it collinear. So whenever we modify this sketch, automatically it reflects the other sketch. So we can maintain the symmetric, or we can individually assign the dimension as per requirement. So this is the best practice. Now we can hide this sketch. Here next I am going to create a tab feature. Select this face, go to tab feature. Now select one rectangle. Select these two lines, make it collinear. This is 30. Right click, select midpoint, select this origin and make it vertical. And this is 2 mm. See here. Next we have to draw one more rectangle. So you can delete this and coincide this. See here, this is the rectangle. Now select this line, right click, select midpoint and select this origin, make it vertical. So now it is symmetric. Go to trim entities, select power trim, remove this. Now this is a closed loop. So this is 40. And this is 60. See here, I'll keep it in isometric. See here, this is how it looks. So come out of the sketch. See here, this is the tab feature. See here, tab feature, we can flip the direction. See, it is coming out. So we have to verify this. And we have to select the merge result. This is mandatory. If you don't merge the result, for example, if I click like this, uncheck this, see it is a separate body. So this is separate and this is separate. So in order to make a single component, we have to click this merge result option. This is mandatory. Now go to unfold command, select this top face, collect all bend and say OK. See here. Now select this face, go to extruded cut, draw one rectangle, select this line and this line, make it collinear, and this is 60, this is 40. Select this line, select midpoint, this point and make it vertical. So it is exactly at the center. Come out of the sketch. See here we have to link to thickness and normal to cutout. That is mandatory in sheet metal. So normal to cutout is for punching or laser cutting. See here. Now I am going to add holes, so we have to select simple hole feature in sheet metal, select this face and say OK. Come out of this feature. Now we have to modify this hole feature. See, I am going to drag here and diameter is 6. Select this origin and this one, make it vertical, and this is 10 mm. So draw 4 circles. And select all the circles. See here, you can select these circles and make it equal. These two are equal, and select these two, make it equal, and these two, make it equal. So you should not select the dimensions, otherwise we cannot apply the constraint. So select this. Now all the circles are equal, so that is 6 mm diameter. Now what we have to do is, we have to draw one center line and select this point and this point, this line and this point, make it symmetric. And similarly this point, this line and this point, make it symmetric. And this is 75, this is 50, and this is 10. See here we have to select these two and make it vertical. So now it is fully constrained now. So we have to draw one more circle at this point So this is 10. This is 8. Select any circle and this circle and make it equal. So this is also 6 mm diameter. Now select a linear pattern and select this edge, and number of instances 3. See, entities to pattern, select this hole, the circle, and flip the direction. See here, it is an other direction. So this is 20 mm. See here, select mirror entities and select these holes and select this axis. So it is exactly at center. So in order to maintain fully constant, we have to dimension this, that is 20 mm. See here. So now the sketch is fully constant. Say OK. Come out of this sketch. Now we have to fold this component. So select the fold command, collect all bends and say OK. See here. Now we have to apply fillet. See, in solid modeling we use this fillet and this chamfer. We should not use this. In sheet metal we have to use break corner. So we have to select this and select this fillet command. See here, click this and select this. So I am going to take 5 mm and this edge, this edge. So this is to remove the sharp corners. Since it is a metallic component, we have to avoid the sharp edges. So this is very important as a factor of safety. See here. Now I am going to apply chamfers. So we have to apply break corner and we have to select this chamfer, and I am going to take 2 mm. So we have to apply this edge and this edge and say OK. See here. So this is the final component. So I am going to apply flat pattern. So this is how it looks like. I'll keep it in top view. This is brief about U bracket in sheet metal module. Thanks for watching. For more videos on SolidWorks, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Mechanical Tutorial.